Hello guys, my first original composition the year 2024. This is my life. Go. I could not climb on that mountain. I could not swim on that ocean. I could not walk on that highway. This is my life. No matter who am I, but God, He gives me life and hope. I can now climb that mountain. I can now swim in that ocean. I can now walk on that highway because God, He gives me power and strength. I could not hurt